Welcome friends to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a creamy garlic chicken Alfredo. It's going to be fast because I've used some store-bought ingredients. I bought a rotisserie chicken and I've taken and deboned it, and this is the breast. I'm going to use the rest of the chicken for chicken salad, so it'll make 2 meals. I've already cubed it up, shredded it, chopped it up a little bit, and I'm going to be using a jar of good Alfredo sauce. I've got my pan pasta boiling in the water. I've salted it, put a little bit of oil in there. It's got to boil for 11 minutes. I've already did that. It's boiling. Got 2 minutes left. I've chopped up a medium onion and 2 tablespoons of garlic. And I'm sauteing it in a little bit of olive oil. It won't take long for this to cook. We'll put a little bit of salt in here. And to my chicken, I've added Italian seasoning and some oregano, some salt and pepper to give it a little Italian flavor. It was just a regular roasted chicken. And we'll saute these for a couple of minutes until they're tender. When you ain't got a lot of time, rotisserie chicken is great. You can make so many meals out of it. Our pasta is done. We're going to take the Alfredo sauce. We're going to open it up, pour it in here. I've put about a half a cup of water to get all that good sauce out. We stir this around. I've drained my noodles and they're waiting for me. I've got 2/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese that I'm going to add to the mixture. I got 1 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. We'll sprinkle that in. Gonna mix it well. And I want to add about a teaspoon more of oregano. I'm going to put my chicken in. Two cups and just a tad bit more. This is the cheese I used, the Parmesan and the grated kind. I'm going to stir that around. And we're going to add our pasta. If it gets too thick, you can always add chicken broth, milk, water. If you saved your water from your pasta, you could even add that if you wanted to. Doesn't that look good? Then we mix it. It looks delicious. And it takes no time to fix it. And I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of parsley. You can use fresh, but I'm trying to keep this fast. And there you have it. Creamy chicken Alfredo with pen pasta. And it only took me probably less than 15 minutes to do. So it looks delicious. And it tastes, let's see. It's creamy. The noodles are just right. You can taste the cheese. I can't wait for you to try it and see how you like it. With my rotisserie chicken that was left over, I'm going to be making chicken salad, and the recipe will be down in the description. Let me know in the comments what your favorite pasta dish is. Also in the description there will be a recipe and a link to a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise and any affiliate links that I have mentioned. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.